waiters. It's Dean's 5th birthday. So the kids are here playing a few games. So let's have some fun.
They do.
All right.
Adeline.
We are laser tagged.
I got Adeline.
You guys can take pictures outside on the TV up here too.
Okay.
It's a lot closer.
Yeah, well, this is dark in here.
Good job.
We are outside at the go-karts, and Steve is going to ride with Dean, and Adeline's going to ride with Meredith, and I'm going to just take video. So it's been fun. Kids have had a lot of fun playing games. We did laser tag. We had a little snack, some water and some chips, and I think we're almost through. We're going to do the go-karts and then probably head back to the house. All right, the go-karts are out. Here comes Steve and Dean and Meredith and Adeline. And they're going around the back. And they come around the middle. Stretch. And we got Steve and Dean and Adeline and Meredith having fun. We're playing with Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and she's made...
Bluey!
Uh-oh, I have bad lighting. Oh my gosh. It's the light. And she's made Bluey. She did an awesome job. And who did I make?
Bingo!
I made Bingo.
And you gotta take that apart after.
And Dean made
Another bingo.
another bingo.
That is a blue.
A blue bingo.
With one with one ear and no ear and one ear and 0 ear.
Right. We did an awesome job.
Oh my god. Where are you? Five. What happening?
Have they sparkling?
They're supposed to.
They went.
Ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dean. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
You did it!
Yay!
We're back from the birthday party. Had a lot of fun. So now we're heading down the street. They're gonna have fireworks tonight down at the end of the street because the house is on the peninsula at the corner where it's safe to shoot fireworks over the water. So I'll take a couple of quick videos so you can see a little bit. I'm not gonna record the whole thing, but I'll do a couple videos for you. All right, we'll head on down. The whole neighborhood usually comes down.
Oh, glow stick, Valley, I want a glow stick.
You want one too?
I want a glow stick.
She was up there passing
Oh,
off.
it was? I get a glow stick. Serving the whole night. Come on.
You ordered apple pie.